Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary in action video. The core vocabulary word that we'll be targeting in today's video is different.
Different.
Different is an adjective, and different
Means
unlike another. Now let's find the word different on our different AAC systems. On the Word Power 60 Basic Vocabulary from Sotillo, different.
Different.
On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, different.
Different.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, different. Now let's use the word different for different parts of communication. I could say that we have on different shirts. I could use the word different to reject or protest. I could say, no, I want a different movie. I could use my word different to request permission. I could say, can I have a different snack? We could relay past and future events, and I could say, we're going to go to a different place next year for vacation. I could direct an action or give a command, and I could say, sit in a different chair. I could state an opinion and say, I feel differently about that. I could state personal information and say that my mom's cell phone number is different than our home number.